Okay, this is the crown up. I'm going to put a return right there. One of our seams right there. And we're out of regular crown. We're going to pick some of that up in the morning. There's a couple more of our seams right there. And that's a wrap. I can tell you a couple things you're going to need. You are going to need a laser. This stuff will go like this if you let it. And obviously you're not going to want it to do that. And with the laser you're going to get a nice crisp straight line. It looks really, really, really good. And yeah, I got to tell you, I'll say it one more time. I highly recommend charging accordingly for this stuff. It's extremely time consuming, extremely difficult, painstaking, and it can be dangerous too. If you're not careful cutting this stuff, that's going to blow up in your face. Check out my other video on how to cut flex crown. And I have another video. It's how to install crown molding, manipulating miters. And I install like 15 miters right there in your face. Camera's right there, you can't miss it. And that's all regular finger joint prime crown molding. But got a good look at this house, and there'll be a couple more videos on this house through the next course of the next 3 weeks. So thanks for watching.